Are you wondering about finding a good company to offer furnace maintenance services? Consider hiring technicians from Rocky HVAC LLC, just like James did. Once, he was suffering to find the right company to get furnace maintenance services. After many searches, he got them and knew that they provide reliable and efficient maintenance services. Also, their quality workmanship provides hassle-free services at budget-friendly prices with complete satisfaction. Then, he consulted with them and got comprehensive services with 100% satisfaction. If you want to know more about them, call 073-801-8808 or visit rocky-hvac.com.